In this city, style is everything. But for me, it's about more than just looking good. When you walk into a space, it should feel effortless, intentional, and like it was made just for you. I'm Armin Misagi, founder of LA Design Build. We specialize in high-end renovation and custom construction across Beverly Hills, Westwood, Pacific Palisades, and beyond. I didn't build this company to be the biggest. I built it to be the one you can trust when quality, speed, and communication actually matter. I saw too many clients struggling. They had concept of design and ideas, but no one to truly bring it to life without the usual headaches. That's where we come in. We don't just build, we guide, we listen, and we obsess over every detail. From modern kitchens to full rebuilds, our process is hands-on, transparent, and personal. What makes us different? We're fast, responsive, and brutally honest. Just clear timelines, sharp execution, and spaces you'll actually love living in. This is LA Design Build. Let's build something unforgettable.